Hi everyone, welcome back to AZ Networks channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sell your THETA token. Like a lot of friends asking me, as you see right here, I explain in my videos how to buy THETA, but I never made a video how to sell it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell it because many friends ask me, oh, we have a SETA and we want to sell it right now, how we can sell it. So if you buy your SETA through simple swap by using my video, right now you don't want to spend that much fee on the transaction, you want to sell it. So I'm going to show you easy way to sell your SETA token. Before jumping and started, please subscribe my channel and hit the ring bell to get the notification for the new videos, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And let's just jump in and start it. So what you need to do is just connect to your wallet. I don't know what wallet you store your SETA token, but if you have in and set up online wallet or you have a ledger wallet, so what you need to do, just send it to, just create an account first of all in Gate.io. So it's pretty safe, like many people saying it's not safe, but I'm using it and I'm holding, as you see right now, it's almost 2000 USD dollar. So, and I hold some SETA right here just for example, I want to show you guys right here. So what you need to do, just go to your Gate.io and go to your wallet, and what you need to do is deposit. Just deposit your SETA token to. If you click to the deposit, what you need to do is just click on SETA. This is the SETA. You need to wait like a 30 second to get your address. When you get your address, just go ahead and send your SETA token right here. After that, what you need to do is you will see your SETA right here and just go and trade it and you can buy it, sell it. So I'm gonna just show you really quick. So I can like put it here and sell all my like 100% and it's gonna be five at this price it's gonna be 500. Yeah, this is the way how you can sell your SETA. Or another way, just exchange back to Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other wallet using simple swap, um, or any others like a swap, so you can swap it back from it like Theta to an like Ethereum or BNB or any other coin. So I hope you guys like my videos. Please again subscribe my channel, support my channel to see more videos. Thank you guys.